Super secrets for repairing issues related to dogs. Are you interested in rescuing a puppy? Would you prefer a pure breed? Whether you want a show dog or a loving old mutt, bringing a dog into your life will supply you with hours of love. It also comes with responsibility, and you can learn about that in the following video. Never hit your dog. There are better ways to train a dog without having to resort to violence. The best way to train a dog is to reinforce positive behaviors with treats and attention. Negative behavior should be handled with a stern and disapproving voice as opposed to striking the animal. Keep on top of fleas. Not only can fleas cause infection in your dog, if one is swallowed, your pet can get tapeworms as well. Speak to your veterinarian about the best prevention method, but remember that this is not a one-shot deal. You will have to continue your efforts over the life of your pet. When you are trying to teach your dog new tricks, you should always be patient. Different dogs will learn things differently. If your dog isn't picking up a new trick right away, give him time. You could also try changing your teaching method. Your dog may respond better to a different approach. Always be prepared to pick up after your dog with a scoop and bag. Although most people think that this is simply a polite thing to do so that others don't step in it, your dog's excrement is actually hazardous. It contains a bacterium that can contaminate local supplies when it washes through to groundwater. Don't give your dog real bones. Bones can chip and hurt your dog if sharp fragments are ingested. Also, rawhide is better for the health of your dog's teeth. If you are struggling to get your pet to behave during a grooming session, apply positive reinforcement. With your words and your tone, praise your dog for anything little thing that he or she does well during the time you are working with him. Give him a treat when you are finished, so he begins to associate grooming with something good. You should turn your dog's behavior around in no time. If your dog is a digger, make sure to protect him and your garden. Some plants are poisonous to dogs, not to mention the damage those paws can do to your prized flowers and produce. Put up an appropriately sized fence to keep him out, or consider using an electric one. Don't forget to trim your dog's nails regularly. Long nails can make him uncomfortable, cause injury to his feet, and will ruin your floors. If he makes a click sound when he walks on hardwood or linoleum, that's a good indication it's time for a trim. Ask your vet to do it if necessary. Now you are aware of what you need to do to take care of your dog the best you can. Keep learning new ideas about caring for your dogs online. You should think about joining a forum to talk to other dog owners. Don't stop learning, you can learn forever. A professional dog trainer reveals 21 brain games that will skyrocket your dog's intelligence, obedience, and overall behavior. Visit wickedsmartdog.com. You can also discover the secret to making your dog's problem behaviors disappear. Visit wickedsmartdog.com. Or, do you want to learn how to teach your dog to play the piano? How amazing would that be? Please visit wickedsmartdog.com to learn this and more. Link in the description.